On the incentives page, you can set up various client incentives by categorizing them under two main headings: investment tax credit, ITC, and direct cash incentives, DCI. Follow these steps to accurately enter the incentive details. 1. Investment tax credit, ITC. The investment tax credit, ITC, is a federal or state incentive that reduces the amount of tax owed based on the investment made. This credit can be a significant benefit for clients, providing financial relief by lowering their overall tax liability. Credit amount. Enter the credit amount in PKR that you receive from either federal or state authorities. Percentage. Input the credit amount as a percentage of the total investment. 2. Direct cash incentives, DCI. Direct cash incentives, DCI, provide immediate cash benefits or financial rewards for specific investments or achievements. Under this heading, you have three subcategories. Investment-based incentive, amount. Enter the amount offered in PKR and percentage terms. This incentive is based on the investment made and offers direct financial support. Taxable incentives. Indicate if these incentives are taxable by federal or state authorities. Capacity-based incentive, CBI. Amount. Enter the incentive amount in PKR per watt, PKW. This incentive is based on the capacity of the system installed. Taxable incentives. Specify if these incentives are taxable by federal or state authorities. Production-based incentive, PBI. Amount. Enter the incentive amount in PKR per kilowatt-hour, PKR kWh. This is based on the actual production of energy or output. Production duration. Specify the duration of the production period in years. Annual escalation rates. Include any annual escalation rates that apply to the incentive. By following these steps, you ensure that all relevant details for ITC and DCI are accurately recorded, providing clarity and consistency in the incentives offered.